Hello everyone, welcome to eLearning Nuggets channel. Today I am going to tell you about printer and its types. What are we going to learn today? I am going to tell you the definition of printer, the terms hard copy and soft copy, the types of printers, that is impact printers and non-impact printers, the characteristics and examples of these printers. What are printers? Printer is an output device used to print text or images on paper. What is an output device? Yes, output device is a device used to display results. Which is the other output device you know? Are you able to recollect? Yes, the monitor is the other output device that we have learnt in the previous video series. So printer and monitors are output devices. Printer is a part of extended hardware. What does the word extended hardware mean? See, there are some parts of the computer like your mouse, your keyboard, which are externally connected to your CPU. These devices are known as extended hardware. They are also known as peripherals. So printer is also known as a peripheral device. There are two other terms associated with printers. The printouts that you get on the paper are known as hard copy, whereas the files and programs which are stored in the computer memory is known as soft copy. For example, you type in a document in Word and you save that particular document as sample.docx. So that file which is stored in your hard disk or in your pen drive, it is known as a soft copy. Based on their speed and quality, printers are classified into two types: impact printers and non-impact printers. So here I have given you the classification of printers. So they are classified as impact and non-impact printers. Dot matrix printer and line printers are examples of impact printers, whereas laser printer, inkjet printer, thermal printer, plotters are examples of non-impact printers. What are impact printers? Impact printers are printers which are mechanical in nature. They have moving parts to print the characters on the paper. Impact printers use print head which contains number of metal pins. Here in this picture you can see this. This is the print head of a dot matrix printer. So this metal head is placed as a contact on an inked ribbon and the paper. So this metal head has metal pin. This printer head has metal pins in it which strikes on the ink ribbon and it forms dots on the paper, and it is able to form the characters on the paper. These metal pins strike on an ink ribbon placed between the print head and the paper. Example of impact printers are dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer and line printer. Since they are making a striking mechanism on the ink ribbon, they are very noisy, and also they are comparatively slower because of the mechanical parts. Yet they are used in many places because they are very robust. Robust means the word robust in general means it's very strong. So these printers are not delicate, they can be easily handled by everyone, and they are low cost printers, and multiple copies can be printed in this printer. So these are the advantages of this printer, because multiple bulk copy, but it is used for bulk printing. Now let us look at some of the examples of impact printers. So we have a dot matrix printer, a line printer and a daisy wheel printer. Non-impact printers. These printers do not use mechanical parts for printing. They do not use striking devices. Then how are they able to print? They have something known as cartridges which has ink stored in them which is used for printing. So this particular technology will be used by inkjet printer, whereas a laser printer uses light for printing and a thermal printer uses heat for printing. These details of how this printer actually works, what are its characteristics, will be covered in the next video series. Please be sure to watch them. Now looking at the characteristics of non-impact printers, they are less noisy and they can print at high speed. The speed is calculated as number of pages per minute, and the size of printing varies from A4 size to A3, A2 up to jumbo size. So any size of paper that we put in these printers, you are able to take a print. So here you can have a look at all the examples of non-impact printers. So this is a laser printer, it's an inkjet printer. You have thermal printer. I think inkjet printer is used in many houses and many students use them for their project work. The only disadvantage of this printer is you have to continuously keep filling the ink, otherwise the cartridge may go dry. Laser printers are quite expensive, and the plotters are used for printing your banners and advertisements. Let us quickly have a recap of this lesson, what we learned. What is a printer? Yes, it's an output device used to print images and text. What does the term hard copy and soft copy mean? Hard copy means the printouts on the paper, and soft copy means the files in your computer memory. The two types of printers are impact printers and non-impact printers. Examples of impact printers are, yes, your dot matrix printer, lazy wheel printer. Non-impact printers, it is laser printer and thermal printer. These questions are all important and most of them have appeared in your board, and it keeps repeating. These questions on printers, they keep repeating in your question papers. Please be sure to read them. Do well in your exams. If you have any queries regarding this, write in the comment section. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.